This is an Echairs instructional video. Today, we will be putting together the Allsteel Evo Task Chair. Open your box and unpack the backrest and the seat. 3 bolts should be included. You'll need a 15mm socket wrench as well. Place the seat on its belly. You should see visibly 3 holes. Flip the backrest upside down. You should see 3 holes that match the seat. Line the holes up together and put the 3 bolts into place. With your socket wrench, screw on the backrest to the seat nice and tight. Once the bolts are nice and tight, flip the chair over and take a seat in your new Allsteel Evo Task Chair. I hope this instructional video was very helpful.